Astrid, if something goes wrong, just make sure they don't find Toothless.
I will. Just promise me it won't go wrong.
It's time, Micah. Knock him dead. Now they've gone for the hand.
I'm ready.
What is he doing?
It's okay. I'm not one of them.
Stop the fight.
No! I need you all to see this. They're not what we think they are. We don't have to kill them.
I said stop the fight!